Good morning. Today I'm in Manila and today I have a nice day, I hope so. I will visit a construction site in a part of Manila where we install a pipe 3.5 meter in diameter, jointed by electrofusion with manholes and other important exciting parts. So we will see. Now I have breakfast first. Now my breakfast is done and I'm waiting that someone will pick me up, and I can see already a car coming, so let us wait. Yes. Okay, 1 second. Yes. It's Engineer Jen. Jen, you are now in the podcast. So now we will go to this special place in Manila region, Marikina, it's correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Marikina.
it's called Marikina, and I will keep you informed. I hope we will reach the place in 2 hours. So 2 hours later, we are still in the car, and you can see only 4.2 kilometer and a big traffic jam, and it seems the traffic jam is due to Krah-Pipes and our construction. So I hope slowly we are coming closer and closer and we will see our pipe. So according to the system, 7 minutes left, but we will see. So now we are heading the last bridge. This is the river, Marikina River, where the intersection will end. And we are very, very close to the construction site. On the left side you can see more or less a boom arm and also a pipe. But we have to be closer because with this camera I can't zoom. So I think now you can see it much better. A big Krah-Pipe, size 3.5, is flying over the road. And I hope Jen can drive, but the traffic jam is still big. And where we are going now, under this street, the pipe is already installed. But I will focus a little bit on the big pipe, on the crane, because we don't see this very often. But it's so big, so dramatic big. Wow. This is dramatically big, so let me go out quickly and take my other camera. Unbelievable. Here you can see the preparation for electrofusion joint. In the back part is the manhole. And here you can see how deep it is. This is 3.5 meter pipe and still the coverage 4 meter on top, so the trench is 7 meter depth. And you can see in the socket the integrated elctrofusion joint. And now they are preparing, and you see how short the construction site is. Where the cars are standing, it's already backfilled and already the pavement is done. And you see in the end of the bridge, all this is already pre-installed and done. And here already is the end of the construction site. So it's really their idea to have it as short as possible, to have no big traffic disaster. But the traffic disaster is there, even a helicopter flying around to see what's going on here. So it's a very, very interesting construction site here in Marikina, close to Manila in the Philippines. This is really, really impressive. So now everything is moving. Now they just jointed the next 6-meter segment to the manhole. And later we do the elctrofusion jointing. And it's so impressive here that the complete length of the open trench is only 20 meters. So you have a complete pavement of the street, 5 meters after the construction site, and the opening is 20 meters later, and also pavement and the street is there. So it seems this traffic issue is something very, very bad. And we will see what's going on now. They are still moving. And I will show you a little bit so you can see a little bit more what's going on. Many people are watching because this is not only the first time this pipe size is installed in the Philippines. I think worldwide there are no projects with the internal diameter of 3.5 polyethylene pipe jointed by elctrofusion in this narrow, super narrow trench in a very busy area. Okay, this is Andy, very famous. So what is the installation speed you can do?
We can do 1 day, 1 pipe in 1 day.
1 pipe in 1 day, wow, that's quick. But now I will go down. They just installed the ladder, so I will take the opportunity to go down. So I just went down all the way. Hello! A good ladder. Now I'm inside the pipe to see what's going on here. So they are all good, all good. They are placing the inside ring with force.
So, your name is?
Sid,
Which company?
DPWH.
This day was good day or no?
It's a good day.
Okay, good one. Next one. Who you are?
I'm Big Santos from DPWA Central Office under Bureau of Construction.
And you were happy today?
I'm happy today.
Okay, next one. Who you are?
I'm Engineer Mark Davis Monteroso. I'm from DPWH NCR Construction Division.
And happy or unhappy?
I'm very happy to have experience with this kind of project.
Okay, very good. So next one, you in one group.
I'm Ray Crisostomo from DPWH, Regional Office NCR, and I'm very happy.
Okay, very happy also.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now we go with lady first. Who are you?
I'm Diana Zuniga from Anora Construction, an office engineer, and it's nice to work with you. And I'm very happy today that I've learned something.
Okay, very good. And now the expert of the day.
I'm Engineer Fernando Manigos from Anora Construction, project engineer. I'm very happy to work with Krah.
Okay, thank you. So that's all. Bye bye. So now I'm back in the car. I had a very hot and long day. Going home, and I'm glad that our pipe 3.5 meter internal diameter jointed by elctrofusion was very successful. So stay tuned and follow the channel.